Hello guys and welcome. In today's episode I'm gonna show you can make your camera from looking like this to this. And the secret behind this is a simple filter called image and mask blending. And all you need is an image that looked like this, filled out circle with a black background. Yeah, all you have to do is right click on your video capture device, go to filters, edit filters, add filter, and choose image or mask blending. Add, then you choose the path. This is the image, and just add it, and here it is. Now you have a circle image and mask blending. Yeah, simple as that. You'll find the image in the description down below if you don't want to do it yourself. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.